Welcome back to Build My Bud. Today we're blocking up a fireplace on the inside of the house, and what we've got to do, we've got to put a vent on the outside there, so that then vents all the way up to the flue, keeps a nice airflow. So first we're now drilling the hole out, and then we'll get going. So here we can see we put lots of holes in there. Now we'll just knock that out quite easily. So I'll put some holes in already. Get me a start. This bit's just getting the first bit out. There's nails. There we go. Oh. Hit my hand. Baby. Oh, chilliest morning. There we go, we found the frog for a mortar. Go. That's the benefit of drilling all them little holes. It should just fall apart. There we go, lovely. We'll clean that up. Give it a couple of These LBCs are as hard as nails, but they ain't a bad thing to cut, to be fair. Una palangi. Nearly there. The idea is to knock this out and not damage any of the other bricks. So we'll have a little trim up. There. Lovely, it's coming. How's it going, boss? Gone, nearly there. Just got trim around the edges of it.
Trim it up, make it look sexy. Not much of a cavity, is he?
No, we're in.
Suppose that close that space down, that will come up to that and
yeah.
pack them in like
and also,
houses.
because like also you, that's behind a fire, that shouldn't really get no damp, should it really? It's the principle of it.
The principle of that.
I love a man with principles. So the hole's out already. You can see through the inside. It's ready to take the air brick. We'll get that in there. Now we'll fill all the joints in. The key to this is not make your combo too wet, but at the same time it's got to be mixed well enough to stick. So I'll put this in first and then I'll let that go a bit and I'll get my 0.9 and we can point it up to look like that. Make sure you fill it right up, not smudging too much. Right, I'm happy that that's filled. So what I'll do is just leave that a couple of minutes. Get a 0.9 and see what we can do with it. You got to press without pressing. Feel without feeling. Now this bit will be a bit wet, but we'll just get the first one on there. Oh yeah. Now we pick all the bits off. And there we go. Air brick in. Looks good. Job done.